it is time to work with a pretty interesting resource that is the buyer model. During this class, we are going to implement the index method. For the buyer, we need to be very careful with something. Remember that the seller and, in this case, the buyer extends from the user model and use the same table. So if we try to obtain all the buyers, we are going to obtain basically all the users. But not necessarily all the users are buyers. So to be sure that a user is a buyer, we need to verify if that specific user has a transaction. In the moment that a user has at least one transaction, it means that the user is in fact a buyer as well. So let's see how we can do that. Let's go to our buyer controller. There we just need to say buyers is equal to buyer, and we need to obtain only the buyers that already has a transactions. And just get it. Then return the response. Please don't forget to import the definition of buyer. And we should be done now. Let's verify. We are going to obtain all the buyers. And there you can see. So maybe you're asking that basically those are the same list of users. And that is because we have a lot of transactions and a little number of users. So for that, let's go to our database seeder and increase the number of users, the quantity, to 1000. Let's go to our command prompt inside our virtual machine and just regenerate the database. After this, if we go to check again, so now we can see that the user number 1 is not a buyer, and the same for the 4 and 5 and 7 and etc. So we can see clearly that this list is different because not all the users are buyers. So see you in the next class.